Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, Marjia. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Marjia, why do you live in
I live at Goripur in Jaipur.
Goripur? So, you live in a home, right?
Yeah.
Could you please describe your home?
Thanks for asking. My home is in a town. It is comfortable but small. There are two bedrooms, one living room, one dining space, two bathrooms, and three balconies. I love my home too much. There is a proverb, the home is where the heart is. I love my home too much because it provides every necessity for its members, and that's all.
Thank you so much. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Good luck.